This is Jeff, W6FCC. It's October 17th, 2019. You've probably run into this situation on your radios. You're running BA1, and I'm going to turn the volume up here a little bit. And it sounds horrible. Now you can play with filters. You may wonder, why does the audio sound so bad? How about filtering here? Well, it turns out the problem is you're overdriving the audio, and not many people use this set mode area. But watch this. This is the ACE, the USB audio level. Watch what I do here. I'm going to change this down to 100. Listen. So there's a setting you may want to look at. There's other things in here if you don't like the beep, and you want to be sure you can squelch signals. That has to be on in order for this to work. You have to be able to do this squelch right here for weak signals. And so there's a clue, fixing the audio. It's Jeff. Have fun.